Yo, what's good YouTube gang? Your boy Jambisco back with another reaction. Yeah man gang, that's what we are doing today. Yeah, we're back in the war room with none other than Mr. John Wicker Dancehall himself. Yeah man, we're there with Demarco. Yeah man, we're there with Demarco, and this is a shame this. The one I name entitled S.O.R. S.O.R. People, I wonder what that class stand for. I wonder what that could stand for. Me no know but it have a girl on the front with that skin out that touch her birthday and chain no tongue long out. Jesus. Demarco, where you get them thumbnail from, them artwork from, bro? Where you get that? Yo, use a troll for real, dog. Me not hold up very much longer, gang. I check it out and say that deal. Look like I deal with chain out wicked another one, dog. Let's see what I go on. Demarco times Siri. S.O.R. Chain out this, let's get it.
No fucking corny nigga Shano. Vex guy but they fuck the same hoe.
Wait. Is the man this in man mimic man I use Bunty style, bro. Man say you know.
No fucking corny nigga Shano. Vex guy but they fuck the same hoe.
Whoa. Okay, girl feelings dog Shano go ahead.
Yo.
Siri and Demarco, make it start now.
Ha! How them visa can't get a stage show where we call them boy.
Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Yeah, I want to say, who some boy? I said, what odds I can't get a stage show? Where you call them boy there? Yes. Yo, hold on, no. Wait, I'm just seeing the meaning of S.O.R. What the hell? S.O.R. stand for suck out Renee. Whoa. Bro, let's stop playing Demarco. Demarco is a troll. Demarco know what he doing. Demarco know to make people laugh after him. Alright, don't go off about this.
Lame, yo.
Siri and Demarco, make it start now.
Ha! How them visa can't get a stage show where we call them boy.
Oh boy.
Oh, me if a girl up if in them can roll where we call them boy. We know.
Oh no, bro. You have to go trim after this, my old. The man say girl up pissing your can roll. Where you call them boy there? Eh? I mean, it's a
Well, but it was no, we not support no day. John Wick step out, them make bust out when they flush out again. This is where every mouth I say. Siri, what S.O.R. mean?
Suck out Renee.
No, bro. No. Demarco, I deal now. We are. Oh gosh. Yo, Floridian war. You don't have to have everything, but you have to have lyrics, you have to have melodies, you have to have style, you have to have a sense of humor. You have to have gimmicks. You have to be creative, basically, bro. And that you not realize. You just want to come on your home tough on. And I say, yo, we need clash, bro.
John, we can step one flick of that. If I smoke, you don't want to touch it than cigarette.
Plans VMX, scan the address, sling them in a hole, like ants in a nest.
Siri.
What? No, bro. No, this man using Siri to murder you, bro. The man using Siri to murder you, bro. Oh my gosh. The man type it out in Siri and make Siri repeat the man says Siri, where S.O.R. start? S.O.R. start for sucker, Renee. This bad. This is creativity at its highest, bro. This is thinking outside of the box.
And the address, link them in the hole.
What I do? Ooh, bro, Demarco is probably the first to do it. If you even do a verse with Siri, Demarco is probably the first to do it. Okay.
One flick of that. If I smoke, you don't want to touch it than cigarette.
Plans VMX, scan the address, link them in a hole, like ants in a nest.
Siri, them should have lucky say.
God damn, man. Siri says scan the address, find it. Fling them in a hole like ants in a nest. Yo, see no chap. I ain't gonna lie to you. Siri had a better line than most all in this war. If he says Siri could have made out, how I go?
Why? Dogtail is one shit of mess.
True. Siri, no worry, me I cancel the wretch. Everything I did you want, stick a bet me come here fickle.
No man. Demarco's creativity and him kill up on all beats too. Oh,
Like who get visa and can't get a stage show where we call them boy there.
say no.
How me take a love if in them can roll where we call them boy there.
Say no. You should make Siri do the part there too. You should do the. You should make Siri do the part there too. Demarco, no cap.
We no play, tell Batty boy Shane now we not support no day. John Wick step out, them make bust out when they flush.
Yeah man, we not support you bro. John Wick step out and bust out them.
So when every mouth I say Siri, what S.O.R mean?
Suck out Renee.
We war but them young and pintless. Shut a light flesh pint, take until you're lifeless.
But alright, it's what I said when if you contact the party and stab him, then go suck a renade dog. You are everything. You on the west side puppy them.
I next tech them life. Nice death.
World ball a ball till him not vice left. Kick off him face martial arts span scatter it.
Yo, I'm liking this. I like this.
When shot a flick him couple fit him.
At first I was like, I don't like the fact that he's on an older beat, them beat the gun already, but the concept and everything brought this shit full circle. No cap, gang, no cap.
Teach him watching what's the matter with him. We put him jelly on the ground and then we sack and kick him.
Yeah.
What a killing. Who get visa and can't get a stage show where we call them boy there.
Say no. So you know if you're an artist you can't get a visa, your new name is Shano now, you know. Your new name is Shano. If you make girl a piece in your can wrong, your name is Shano.
You take a look within them can roll where we call them boy there.
Oh my gosh.
We no play, tell Batty boy Shane now we not support no day. John Wick step out them men.
Bust out the brain. After you watch Shano. After why against John Wick Shano, you not afraid? You're not afraid?
Hey, flush out again, this is where every mouth I say. Siri, what S.O.R mean?
Suck out Renee.
Hey, all I go, I feel like I Demarco behind these damn thumbnail, you know, dog. All I go and fun and joke aside, you know. You see me, fun and joke aside, roof and floor butter. You see me? Yeah. This bad. This so bad. This bad. Demarco creativity, bro. Y'all gonna have a problem with this man. Y'all gonna have a problem with this man. I can't say y'all can't kill him. Can't say y'all can't win. All I'm saying is y'all probably gonna have a challenge. It's gonna be a hard time. You know what I'm saying? The people decide at the end of the day, but it ain't gonna be easy to kill Demarco, bro. And Demarco, bro, I can't even say who leading or who winning or anything like that. You see me? We have the content, we have to enjoy the station. Me not be biased and pick a side and all that. Cause it ain't over to the fat ladies thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So, but right now the war is looking nice. I'm enjoying this shit, bro. We getting some good ass entertainment out here, gang. You feel me? I'm enjoying this war, no cap. You see me? But it ain't gonna be easy. You see me? We say the man call me dopey and I go show. Man say my dancer John Wick. So no man like defend that. That's what I know. Say I be a card in a dancer. Look at this man come and say, "You my dancer John Wick." And no man no step out. Oh God. I'm scared. You see me? Me know some this but you know if me's an artist and me say bad and some other time I dancer John Wick. Yes, call him a same bad I mean. Me not care for me and talk, you know. Yeah man, me a fling some shot over there man. Quick and fast too. I mean I miss. Yeah man. But yeah man, girl, let me know what you about that one. I'm enjoying this one. S.O.R. So Floridian, John Noor. China, you gotta take that, bro. You gotta take that, bro. You see what man do to Coyote. You see what man do to Coyote and him airline, you know. You see what man do with Shane and him tongue and all John Noor, bro. John, what time man say, yo, Shane, your new name a towel tongue. Your new name a womb broom.
Glad you're my personal shopper.
I'm your bodyguard.
I was gonna say something else, but we don't know if YouTube are gonna block me. You see me? We don't know if YouTube they're gonna block me now, but yeah man, girl, we know nothing about that one day. You see me? If you like the show, that's some love and support, making us a Jambisco and say no. Drop a request, drop a comment, who you think leaning, who you enjoying. Let's see more of the baddest lyrics. Let me know all of that in the comment section, gang. And if you like it, you go show that some love and support. Hit me up on Discord, join the Discord. I did fix links in the description, gang. Join Discord, become part of the family. I don't know what time it is. The boy Jambisco. I was here and I hit and smash on. Bang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.